So here we are, May 13th, again, it's about 3:38 in the afternoon. Got some rain, and I think the lightning hit our power pole, or it hit something real close. I mean, it was like bang, and we could see our shadows on the wall. And our power's out, so... And there's a little lightning in the area, so I'm not going to go out on the porch anymore. But we do have rain. It's amazing. Look at my barrel filling up. That means my big barrel out in the lot's filling up too. Oh wow. This is better than I expected. Still got a big mess out here from doing my soffit. So I got some of my barrels back under there to catch what I can of my rainwater. Wow. Might be an eighth of an inch already. Can't see my rain gauge from here. It's right there, but... Ooh, yeah, this is a good little rain. I was missing the barrel before, but it's hitting it now. The thing. I want that, yeah, there. See, I want that gutter to flow this way and not that way. I have a little crossover drain right there that goes into that. If it doesn't get clogged, I think it's probably clogged. But yeah, if this keeps up, this should be good. I hope my gutter on the side is draining into the pipe where it needs to go. I'm afraid to go out there though. I'm really getting a little edgy about the lightning. And yeah, this is the first rain we've had in like over a month. Oh man, love that smell of rain. Frogs are gonna start singing. He's probably in that down pipe right there. That's why you can hear him so good. They camp out in that pipe right there. Oh no, see here it's stopping now. That's going to be it. I don't think we even got a half inch. But it's better than nothing. That probably put 50 gallons in my big barrel out there.
Saying 7 o'clock.
Oh yeah, and our power's out at 3:30. They're saying it's going to be 7 o'clock before it comes back on, so... Just started an artichoke. I guess we got to get the propane burner out and see if we got any gas. Hopefully it keeps raining. Get the temperature down a little. Yeah, we need a good soaking rain. We need about an hour of this or two. You can kind of see a little bit of a... Ooh, you see the lightning there a little bit. I don't know if that shows up on the video or not, but... Yes, so happy we're getting some rain. Gonna be loving it. Oh, the vanilla orchid's gonna be loving it. The other orchid's gonna be loving it. The little tomatoes here are gonna be loving it. Oh, really needed this. Oh, I love it. Love that sound. And when it's quiet for too long, I'm kind of anticipating, have a little anxiety for that clap of lightning. Is it going to be here? Or is it going to be a little farther away? Getting my fish barrel filled up. They've been needing some rain for a while. Whew. Come on, rain. I'll take some more.